Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am back out at my hunting property making a couple videos today, and one of the things I wanted to do while I was out here was do another review of my Nukem Grab and Go hunting blind. About 2 years ago, in February of 2023, I went to the Great American Outdoor Show in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I ran into Pat Nukem, owner and CEO of Nukem Hunting, and he demonstrated and showed off this product there, and I was just absolutely blown away with the simplicity of use and how practical of an application it is for this blind, especially when we're turkey hunting. I bought one, and so did my buddy Brody that was with me, and I've been using it for the last 2 years turkey hunting, whether I've been on Chatham-Harris game lands or whether I'm here at my property or some other game lands like Caswell County game lands in a little bit north there here in North Carolina. But this has really been my go-to gear that I've taken with me. So I just thought today I'd just kind of talk about it again and kind of demonstrate it. Just so y'all could see that after 2 years I still use it. It's still a great piece of product, and they have a lot of new products that came out recently. So if you haven't picked up your Nukem hunting blind, I strongly suggest you check out their website. The link is in my description box there. Just click on that link, it'll bring you right to the Nukem website, and you can see all the new products they have. So this one I believe is the large. They make a large and an extra large blind. This is the large blind. This is the carrying case it comes in. It's about 2.8 pounds. It's really lightweight. Yeah, I mean, you can just carry it in like this if you want to. I don't carry it that way, but it compacts down real nice and kind of can throw it right in the back of the truck. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up and kind of show you how I put it together, connect it, and then we'll display it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm going to just pull out this drawstring here and take the blind out of the carry bag. I'm going to put that off to the side. You don't need that. So I'm going to go ahead and connect all the poles. So basically these are tent poles, sort of with a shock cord in it, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and try to neatly unfold this as best I can. Right. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and lock in. See, again, just shock cord with these like tent poles. They're already all connected. The poles are already in the blind, so you don't have to worry about them falling out at all. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one, the center piece, okay. And then let's do this, and then let's do this. And again, same thing on this side. For this angle here, I'm just going to go ahead and get these connected like that. And then this bottom piece, right like this. Perfect. Okay. All right. And then we have this. All right, here we go. Perfect. All right. So let me get this out here so you can see it. So yeah, so once you connect all the, like I said, these tent-like poles in that has a shock cord, and again, these poles are connected already to the blind, so that you're never going to lose a pole. You're never going to lose it. So this is what it looks like set up. So this is the large that I got. So I kind of give you that angle. I think you see it pretty good right there. So again, this gives you the flexibility, right? So depending on how you're sitting, if you're sitting kind of low to the ground, maybe on the ground, or you have a stool, or you have a chair, depending how you like to turkey hunt, how you like to sit, you can adjust the height of the blind. So by closing it in, it raises the height. It's a little windy today, I apologize. But that's kind of what you can do, and it kind of gives you that flexibility of this particular blind. Now, let's say you're hunting and you hear some birds, and let me make sure you can see that good. So let's say now you're hunting and you say, okay, I want to make a move. I hear some birds, I don't see them, I want to find out where they are, I want to make a move. So really quick, all you need to do is pull out this center pole right here, pop this up, grab it, and you can run through the woods like this. So this is how I would carry it in the morning. This is how I would carry it if I'm going and running and gunning after some turkey, because I'm not going to take it all apart and put it back in the carry sack. I'm just going to keep it like this. And why do I do that? Well, then when I get to where I want to go, I can just drop this, put this pole right back up in here, set it up, and I'm good to go. And that's how quick you can actually set this blind up on the run. So moving from one spot to another rather quickly with your blind is a real benefit, as you can imagine, when you're turkey hunting and trying to get set up. So, and again, again, as I said, right, you spread it out, this part goes lower, raise it up, goes higher, depending on what you're sitting on. So now, this is the mossy oak pattern that I got it in. There are a lot more patterns now that Nukem Hunting has on their website. Again, use that link in my description box. It'll bring you right to their website if you're interested in getting this particular product. So this is the large. They have an extra large. I know they have different camo patterns now. They also have panels where you can take two blinds and kind of set them side by side, and there's a panel that connects here, so that if you had your son or your daughter with you, you can hunt together and add that panel there, giving you more room. So maybe you're having somebody film your hunt for you, you can put the photographer over there and you can hunt over here. So a lot of flexibility with this particular product. And again, I've been really happy with it. I've had it for 2 years. I've gotten to meet Pat several times over the last couple of years at different shows. Always a fan of the product, always you know, see what's new, see what's going on. He's got, so like I said, a lot of new stuff he's coming out with. So please go ahead and check out the link in my description to that to their website and get yourself one if you're thinking about it. It's a really great product, especially if you're an avid turkey hunter, and it really it's really coming well for me. And again, I've had this for 2 years, used it for 2 years when I'm turkey hunting, and I'm out a lot during the turkey season, and it's just held up miraculously. Not a tear, not anything. It's just perfect. So yeah, really happy with this blind. So we'll go ahead and do this. There you go. All right, and we're out of here. So, and again, that's how I carry it in the woods. So all right, everybody, just wanted to give you another quick review of the Nukem grab and go hunting blind. Please go ahead and use that link in the description if you're interested in getting this product, and I'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care.